Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. 2022 ISA Boys and Girls Champs medalist Alexis James of Petersfield and St. Elizabeth Technical's Shamir Blake were among the top performers as Stets retained their boys and girls titles at the Western Championships on the school's ground on a Saturday.
2022 ISA Girls Championships silver medalist Alexis James of Petersfield once again played a starring role, retaining her Class 1 100 meter hurdles double. James first took the 100 meter hurdles, clocking 13.51 seconds before taking the 100 meters. Herbert Morrison's DeAndre Daly was a class apart in the Class 1 boys 100, taking the win ahead of St. Elizabeth Technical's Javon Dunkley.
It was a pretty simple race. Just went and executed the first 60 meters and used my technique to get me through the stop race.
Daly was however beaten in the 200 meters as Dunkley turned the tables, beating him into second. St. Elizabeth Technical's Shamir Blake was another double winner on the day, taking the 110 meter hurdles, 400 meter hurdles double in Class 1. The powerful Blake first won the sprint hurdles in a record 13.81 seconds before taking the 400 meter hurdles timed final overall after a wide margin of victory in his section. Another double winner on the day was Mount Alvernia's Alia Foster, who completed the unusual long jump 400 meter double. She took the long jump with a best leap of 6.19 meters before returning to take the 400 meters.
I just think that I was patient with the jump, and I think that is why I got the 6.19 and I PB. So the key to all of this is patience and holding the technique and, just being able to maximize on everything and the distance.
Stets Jasona Dennis was the winner in the Class 1 boys 400 meters.
I feel very accomplished because I bring home the gold medal in front of my home crowd and I will try and bring it home as champs.
And Stets coach Marvin James says the performances have set his team up well for the ISA Boys and Girls Championships come the end of March.
Last year we had a lot of injuries going into champs. This year we have learned how to manage it better. We have found a way how to deal with it better also. So going into champs this year should be better than we were last year.